All right, now let's read the messages of the counter even here in the groups. Okay, so where is that? It's a private group, so let's close that. Let's close that. We are going to private group chats here. So here, after this stream, we are returning this lister. Okay, so this lister, now instead of returning this lister, let's return our chat widget. All right, chat widget. So here, because it's a group now, we know that we don't need to pass all of these. Okay, so for the chat, we don't want to pass the chat here, we want to pass the group. Okay, that's where we'll pass this chat. So maybe this also, let's name it to group model, like that. Okay, then let's pass it here. And then what is it complaining about? So is group, this is going to be true. And then the on tap, yeah, we know that we are going to navigate to the group screen there, or mean to the chat screen. Okay, so let's just copy that in the, we don't have time to write that code again. This is the same code that we want. Copy that, and then looks like there are more brackets here, so let's just go back. Let's navigate there. Now here, instead of chat, we're going to paste this. Okay, so here it's called what? Group model dot group ID, group name, group image. Even here is going to be group ID. Now we just need to import this, add the required chat. So let's go here. So this chat is not required. It has to be like that because it's also nullable here. Okay, so now here we don't have an error. Where we're having an error, let's click that. Okay, so now even in the group we have put it. Let's remove that, and then let's remove that we are the ones that we are not using. Okay, now we can hot reload again. So I don't know if this hot also refreshed. Let me just run it. All right, now it has started, but let's see. First I need to be sure if they were getting the right stream. Okay, so where is that, where we are getting the stream? This unread counter. So okay, you can see that we are passing this as false. Okay, so let's also pass the required, this dot is group. Okay, now let's also pass it here, and then instead of passing that false here, let's pass our is group. Okay, now if we come back here, we need to pass the is group, which is coming from is group here. Okay, so here let's pass the is group and then is group. Now we won't have any errors. Let's hot reload again. I'm not sure if this also hot restarted, so I'm just gonna run it again. So you can see here that there's no spacing here, so let's quickly fix that here. Okay, so here we just need to have a sized box. Okay, constant let's the constant of size box dot 5. We don't want it to be like that. Let's hot reload. Yeah, also maybe we can put something like that. Let's check again. Yeah, maybe. All right, now that we have that, let's go to the group, and then this is centered, but there is no padding here. Are we sure we're using this? Let's go to the groups, private group. So this list view, we have this. Let's see if we wrap it in the padding. Okay, it's we don't even need to put it here. Let's remove the padding. Let's go inside the chat widget, and then here at this column we want to wrap this column with a padding. Okay, let's do padding. Let's reload. Yeah, we want something like that. But now on this one we have the overflow. So to fix that overflow, we need to go to the my chat list, because here we have a lot of other paddings. That's why we're having that. Why are we having that? We need to remove let's see if we remove this padding. Okay, we're still having that, but okay, it's because of this same widget. Okay, so this is the widget. Let's maybe put 5 as padding, and then where is that container? It's inside here. So here in this, let's see if we can remove some padding. First of all, let's test it right now. Right now we don't have, because of this padding that we have put here to 5. Okay, we can keep it like that, but we need to make it dynamic. Maybe we need to wrap it in the flexible widget, so that, because this number can grow, it can be 30 or what. Okay, right now let's keep it like that. So now in the group, now let's go to the group here. Let's try to send a message. This one can get in. Let's say test group message. Okay, it seems like we have a problem to sending a group message, something that we need to look at. Okay, yeah, we may have a problem of sending a group message. Let's go to the bottom chat before we end this video. Bottom chat, and then let's see, where are we sending a message? Okay, where is that send text message? Where is this method is coming from? Here. Okay, once we click on the send text message, we are getting inside that, and then here you can see that in the group we have not sent a message. Okay, handle group message, we have only done for the one-to-one. So in the next video we are going to send a group message. Thank you guys, and see you in the next video.